Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add keywords to your YouTube channel on your PC. Adding keywords to your channel is essential for optimizing your content and making it more discoverable. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch YouTube Studio on your PC by visiting studio.youtube.com. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Step 3. Select Channel. Within the Settings menu, choose the Channel tab. Step 4. Click on Basic Info. From the Channel Settings, click on the Basic Info tab. Step 5. Go to Keywords. Scroll down to the Keywords section, where you can add relevant keywords to describe your channel and its content. That's it. You've successfully added keywords to your YouTube channel. By including relevant keywords, you'll improve your channel's visibility and increase the chances of reaching your target audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.